Welcome back to the show. James Rule XRP. Welcome to the James Rule Crypto Show. I told you so. I'm a crypto teacher. I'm not a financial advisor. I tell you what, the last couple of days, there's been so much negativity out there. So many people bashing the government and bashing the SEC. But yeah, we deserve a level playing field, but we need some positive news every once in a while. You know, I like getting positive news, growth, companies that are growing with all this all this crazy stuff going on in the world today with, us just trying to get everything regulated. But we're going to cover some things and we're going to have a good time. This episode today is sponsored by Uphold. Uphold is a cryptocurrency broker. Some people call them an exchange. They offer XRP, hundreds of digital assets. They're the pioneers of radical transparency. They're 100% transparent. They have a risk team. They publish their assets and liabilities in real time. If we scroll down, the reserves are 100%. They will never loan out your money to anyone else, so you'll always have it available to withdraw. They have over 1.6 billion in assets in their reserve. If we go a little bit further, they have different tiers, different digital assets, gold, currency, in different tiers. You'll have to go in and check it out for yourself. Tell them James Rule XRP sent you by. There's the link below. Let's take a look at the numbers. Total market cap, 1.2 trillion. We're on that roller coaster. We're seeing volatility. We're seeing XRP down to 45 cents today. Oh my gosh, what's going on? The sky's falling. Bitcoin went up, and Bitcoin is down a little bit. Ethereum's down. Cardano's down. Stellar's up. The news with Coinbase having Stellar, XLM running the USDC coin, Circle, blah, blah, blah. Hashgraph, VeChain is up with news possibly listing on Coinbase. We need XRP listed back on Coinbase. Hello. Let's go ahead and look at the news. onXDC, there is going to be a conference in Austin, Texas at the end of August. And it looks like Trey and Mitch with onXDC Network are here at the Long Center in Austin. This is where the first annual XDC conference is going to be. There's a link below. If you use code RULEXRP, you'll get a special discount. We're going to have a VIP dinner. You're going to have VIP access. If you get a VIP ticket, you get to meet me. You get to meet Crypto Eddie. Quincy, you get to meet Dirk with Expector. Martin with Uphold. It's going to be myself, Beyond Break, and Andre Casterman, Ray Fuentes of Link2, and more. There's going to be so many people there. And if we look at this next tab here, this is Mitch with onXDC, and he's in the VIP lounge, and it looks pretty sexy. So when we're all hanging out together, taking selfies, drinking shots, having a good time, you're going to get a beautiful view of Austin, Texas. Check out the information below. Perry Ann Boring with the Digital Chamber of Commerce congratulated Nick Batia for distributing over 700 Bitcoin books to Capitol Hill. Supposedly, every member of Congress received one of these books, and she's saying that education is key to success. The Digital Chamber is proud to support you. And today, I ordered one of these books on Amazon. It's called Layered Money, From Gold and Dollars to Bitcoin and Central Bank Digital Currencies by Nick Batia. I hope I pronounced your name right. Here is the content of the book. If we click on it, it looks like chapter 1 is Flooring of Gold, and then the emergence of layered money, and then central banking, Federal Reserve System, retiring gold, dollar in disrepair, a renaissance of money, layered Bitcoin, central bank digital currencies, freedom of currency denomination. And I'm going to read this book, and hopefully I'll have it read tonight. And I'm going to see if he mentions anything but Bitcoin. That is the big question everybody's been asking me. Is XRP mentioned? Is any other digital assets mentioned besides Bitcoin? And I will let you know. Let's keep going. Simple math, but it's strong. The Crypto Basic got this out. Here's how much XRP you need to be a millionaire if XRP hits $5, $10, or $50. And it's simple math. It's simple math, but we're going to look at it real quick. XRP could be any price in the future. It depends on adoption. It depends on the use of the XRP ledger. It depends on banks and retailers and developers around the world that continue to grow this deflationary ecosystem. Every time a transaction is made on top of the XRP ledger, a tiny fraction of XRP is burnt forever. And as the years progress, as more money pours into these ecosystems, the value is automatically going to go up. So let's take a look at it. If XRP is at $5, you're going to need 200,000 XRP to be a millionaire. Ta-da! XRP at $10, you're going to need 100,000 XRP to be a millionaire. None of this is financial advice. Now, when XRP gets to $50, all you're going to need is 20,000 XRP. None of this is financial advice. I'll never tell anyone how much XRP I have. I don't want you to tell me how much XRP you have. There's bad people. There's scammers. There's horrible people in the world trying to scam you out of your digital assets. So don't share your wallet sizes with anyone. This came out today on Fortune.com, and it says that Coinbase shares are up 35% since the SEC sued the crypto exchange for allegedly selling unregistered securities. So, there's a lot of news out there. There's a lot of news on this space. Yes, there's a lot of negativity, a lot of FUD in the news. But you know what? When you hear about the BlackRocks and the Fidelities and all these major financial institutions trying to file for a Bitcoin ETF, it gets a lot of eyes. It gets a lot of investors on the market. And people are scooping up Coinbase. People are scooping up Ripple. People are scooping up venture capitalists are investing in this technology because it's not going away. So when I make a fortune, I'm going to invest in these companies. I'm going to invest in new startups. I'm going to keep the money rolling. I want passive income for the rest of my life. I want to travel the world the rest of my life. Here it is. Fidelity readies for new spot Bitcoin ETF filing. And I'm going to leave a link below. I'm not going to talk about it. This is just a quick video. It was another hot day in Texas. Now, imagine this. And some people laughed, and I really don't give a shit. Because once we get clarity on XRP, everybody's going to be scooping it up. You're going to be lucky to get it on the secondary market. I said, wait until BlackRock and Vanguard start acquiring XRP. I think it was announced today that MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, BlackRock or whatever accumulated like 22,000 Bitcoin. Wait until we get regulatory clarity on the digital asset XRP, the regulatory clarity that we've been fighting for years. And let's just see what happens, baby. Ledger, here a month or two ago, Ledger announced that they're doing this thing where they're going to send your seed phrases to third parties to lock up your seed phrases. Well, it looks like they are targeting institutions with an open enterprise grade trading platform designed to meet their risk management and regulatory requirements. Let's take a quick look at the article on CoinDesk. It states that the Ledger Enterprise TradeLink Network, announced Wednesday, has signed up a number of crypto exchanges and broker partners, including Crypto.com, Bitstamp, Huobi, Uphold, CEX.io, Wintermute, CoinSquare, Index, Damex, Bitaza, Flowdesk, and Hodler. I don't know a bunch of these, but it says in the wake of the events in last year's bankruptcy of FTX, firms are looking for transparency and alternatives to having assets held on vertically integrated crypto exchanges. There are also concerns on how market infrastructure will pan out in the light of recent lawsuits from U.S. regulators against Binance and Coinbase. So, what's going on here? What's going on with Ledger? What's going on with the governments? What's going on with BlackRock and Fidelity and Vanguard and all these major institutions? They're trying to get a bite on this asset class at the same time that the SEC and Gary Gensler is trying to stifle it. It's a big smoke screen. Gary Gensler, Elizabeth Warren, all these other idiots in office are trying to stall this technology so the banks, the Fidelities, the BlackRocks, all of the above can jump on board. But don't let them shake you out. We're going to be wealthy. We're going to be giving them the middle finger, telling them, I told you so very soon. Hang in there. Now, Monday night, when I premiered the Digital Currency Traders Alliance, I had an interview with Kevin Trommer of the DCTA. When I got to about 3 minutes into the live premiere, this has never, ever happened to me before. I was talking about Gary Gensler and all the crazy shit he's done, and then all of a sudden the screen froze up for like 6 minutes, and I was like, okay, in the live chat, I said, okay, Gary, enough is enough. You killed my presentation. You killed my premiere. And about 6 minutes later, it came back up. So if you didn't get a chance to see the full interview with Kevin, check it out. They are looking for members in the United States. I represent Texas. Many others represent other jurisdictions, other states. They're looking for representatives in each state to educate local representatives, local members of Congress about digital assets, and they'll hold your hand and show you how to do so. Also, if you purchase a membership, I think it's $125, you'll get a Scary Gary NFT. Check it out. I'll leave that link below. So my name is James Rule, XRP. Just relax. A lot of things are going on right now. There's a lot of discouragement going out there in the news and social media and all the above, but we're going to be okay. We're going to get through this. We're still trying to be nice when we can and educate our Congress and educate lawmakers, and hopefully they will have an aha moment like we did. So have a good evening. Don't forget, I told you so.